In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit card in Kucoin, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. Whether you're new to the world of crypto or just looking to explore new features on Kucoin, this guide will walk you through the process of adding your debit card for convenient transactions. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the official Kucoin website. You can do this by typing Kucoin into your search engine or entering the URL directly if you have it handy. Once there, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is designed to provide easy access to the various tools and services Kucoin offers. For this process, we'll need to log in to your personal account. So, go ahead and locate the Login button. It typically resides at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Once you've entered your email and password, hit Login to access your account. Assuming you've successfully logged in, you'll now need to return to the Kucoin home. The home page acts as a central hub, allowing you to navigate to different parts of the platform effortlessly. Take a moment to familiarize yourself again with the layout if you haven't been here in a while. Next, we're going to proceed to the Buy Cryptocurrency section. Look for a tab or link labeled Buy Crypto or something similar on the home page. This section is your gateway to purchasing various cryptocurrencies using fiat currency. Once you're in the Buy Cryptocurrency area, you're presented with multiple payment options. Here, you'll want to find and click on the option titled Pay With. This step is crucial because it allows you to select your preferred payment method, and in this case, you're looking to add a new debit card. After clicking Pay With, you'll need to select Pay with a new card from the available options. This is where the actual addition of your debit card details takes place. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your card information. Make sure you have your debit card handy. Carefully fill in the required details such as card number, expiration date, and CVV, ensuring all inputs are accurate to avoid any transaction issues later. Once you've entered all the necessary card information, confirm the details to add your card to the account. And there you have it. You've successfully added your debit card to your Kucoin account, enabling a smoother and preferred method of purchasing cryptocurrency. By following these simple steps, you can make more efficient transactions that suit your trading needs. Remember to always safeguard your login credentials and card details to protect your account. Thank you for watching, and happy trading on Kucoin. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to leave a thumbs up or share it with friends who might find it useful. Until next time.